Good evening, YouTube friends and fans. Tonight, I have put together a wiring harness for a fellow subscriber in Minnesota, Chris. If you're interested in a kit, I do sell them, put them together for you. It's generally always custom, so a little feedback and I can get you what you need. He's already got the motor ordered and sent to him, and this video is to help him finish on his setup. He has the option for possibly going off a power shoot control. So I'm going to show him in this video what he needs to do to make that happen, and how to eliminate running this setup strictly off the battery. And this is his power on and off. The unit does have eliminated switches. So what he would have to do if he's going to run it off the battery is to take the red wire that's got the inline fuse, which, like so, and actually has to come up to here. So the end's already cleaned off with the insulation. Just has to put the end on it and crimp it and then install it up here. That's the proper setup to actually come off the battery. If you can go from the auxiliary switch of the chute and take the power from it, you can just cut this end off and connect it into the wiring. And disregard all this. Literally unhook it, which is real simple. Just lift the little tab and wire pulls right out. Just like that. Same thing with the black. So it's that easy. Disconnect that part of the kit, and that is ready to run off the auxiliary power with the ignition. And you would not need this power setup with a kill switch so it doesn't kill the battery. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you on the next video. Hope it's helpful.